friends. Have a nice day. Myself, Neeraj Kumar, the computer teacher of your school, again came back with a new video in which I shall explain the chapter 1, unit 3 for class 9, and the topic is discussing example of ICT in our daily life. So friends, as you know, the information technology touched all the fields in the world. Now, there is no any example of the fields where ICT is not working. ICT not supporting in our works. ICT has a great impact in our daily lives. For example, we can read our local and global news. We can read our local and global news using online newspaper. We can get always connected with our family, relatives or colleagues, even if we are abroad by using the electronic mail, Yahoo Messenger, call reference and video conferencing. Digital computer and networking also have changed our economic concept with no boundary in time and space. Why? Because of ICT. It brings a lot of advantage for economic development, enabling millions of transactions to happen in an easy and fast way. Here, I am going to discuss some more uses of examples of ICT in different fields of our lives. The first one is ICT in education. Students, you know, there are number of ICT applications supporting the field of education as follows, such as using a smart board in the classroom, e-learning materials in the form of e-books, online training materials, online learning apps are available, online form filling for different examination, different competitive examinations, online test, preparing assignment on the various topics using the help of taking the help of internet and so on. It is also helping in the finance and banking sectors. ICT also having a great impact, great value in the field of finance and banking in the form of ATM, phone banking, online money transfer using Phone Pay, Paytm, Google Pay and so on. Online fund transferring is also available here. ICT, third one, ICT also helping the industry and business. How? It is affecting the industry and business sectors by providing the following services such as planning and controlling management system, research purposes, supplying chain management, preparing and giving presentation, e-commercing, inventory control system, communication, attendance management system, human resource management system, electronic billing system, online meeting systems and so on. Next, ICT also helping the entertainment field. How? Affecting the entertainment field by providing the following services such as online game, social networking services such as social networking services, watching online movies and videos, chatting with online people using instant messaging software and online TV. It is also helping the engineering and architecture sector. We know architecture uses a specific software to design the outline of building. Designing the car, bike and various electronic equipments uses the ICT based system to develop these all the things. It is also helpful in the career sector. Many sites provide this facility to the student to easily planning the future career. Government sectors too. ICT provides also the services to the government sector in various ways, such as preparing and printing Aadhaar card, PAN card, income taxing, income tax return filing, excise services, and so on. It is also helpful in the health care sector. For example, so many digital ICT based systems are available now in the field of medical, in the field of healthcare, such as ECG, EEG, CT scanning, digital X-ray, mammography. That all are based on totally ICT system. It is also helping the travel and tourism sectors. Nowadays, no need to go for taking the tickets from the counter, from the booking counter, from the railway, from the bus, for the bus, for railway ticket, for train ticket, for aeroplane tickets, and so on. And so this way, ICT is also helping the travel and tourism sectors. Next, the law enforcement. Here, ICT enabled the users to easily know the status of our court case in a fraction of second, for which so many apps and online systems are available. So it means we just have to say there are the numerous examples in the different fields where the ICT making all the problems, making all the tasks easily possible. That's why we can't forget the use of the ICT into the different fields. So after this line, the chapter completed. Now your job is to complete. After going through the video, you all have to prepare the exercise questions of the chapter. And if you are having any kinds of problems in any part of the video, you can just ask me, raise your questions, and I shall try to give the answer of the questions. So have a nice day and thank you.